As always, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. This has been flipped inside out. We're not going to do anything down the center line because it's not going to be symmetrical. And this is just going to be a simple scrunch, so we'll just start scrunching this up. Alright, quick and easy. Off to dye. Alright, for this, I've actually curved this into a bowl-like shape, set it down on top of plastic bowl, and kind of formed it around, and it kind of acts like a bobblehead at this point. I don't know what to say. Anyway, I got some blue already on this. Oops. So I'm going to start with the blue, which wasn't my plan. In that case, it's going to be the new Bluebird from Dharma. The other colors that I plan on using are chamois, rust brown, and Timberwolf, but that might change. So let's go ahead and start with the blue. And then I'm going to pack some shaved ice over this. I'm going to let that melt through, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, this is, I'd call it a mess, but we'll see what happens here. Go ahead, take this off. I'm going to flip this over. Try to flatten that out some. Then I decided to change the colors. I'm actually going with Hot Pink and Timberwolf. Feel free to comment below if you think this is going to turn out horrible, because I honestly have no clue. Alright, let's go ahead and apply the dye. Alrighty, this is going to be one of those, I don't know. Alright, let this melt through, and then we'll see if we need to do a third, like have it sit in a bath of a different color or something. We'll see what happens. Alright, this is pretty much melted through. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over and put it on aluminum so I can make a boat. Alright, I'm going to apply rust brown, mostly around the edges here. Let that melt through, and then we'll probably do the washout. It's been about 36 hours, so let's start the washout. Alright, let's take a quick look. So I'll throw this in the washing machine and we'll take a final look. Here is the final. Here's the problem with this one. This was done, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago, and I got distracted because this is being filmed the week of Christmas and my oldest's birthday. And anyway, I don't even remember what I was trying to accomplish here because of that whole cognitive issue thing that I have. I have no clue what I was trying to accomplish, so I don't know if this is good or bad. I'm going with it doesn't meet what I had planned on because it doesn't look like something that I would have planned on. So, yeah, it turned out to be what it is. I have no name for this because I, again, have no clue what I was trying to accomplish, and I didn't write anything down. So, what do you think? If y'all would like to suggest a name for this, I can redo the thumbnail and drop it out there, because it's not like I usually ever say the name of what I'm making anytime during the video. There's reasons for that. But if somebody wants to suggest a name, I'd happily change the thumbnail from probably some "I wonder what I was thinking" or something like that I'll most likely use to what is suggested and liked. So, yeah, comment below. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for watching.